So check it out. Decided to start enjoying the fruits of my blessing, actually, from the train show today. And so the first thing I started looking at was that Pennsylvania tender that I really liked the lettering on it. And I made a new foam insert for it, and I used some of that double-edged tape to hold everything down, and got the board glued in place. I had to move the board. I had to mount it just a little bit closer because I think somebody had cut that wire and shortened it a little bit when they broke the male end off it. And I soldered on a new one, and I used some shrink tube to kind of insulate it. So I got it hooked up there pretty good. It should. There's that little part there that's kind of exposed, but it should be okay because it's back away from the tender cab. Of course, this is a metal one. It's the 8904 that a good friend of mine gave me, and I put the works from a Silver Star 8141, which that has a plastic shell, but it fit in there, and the smoke unit's in there, and I got this Sound of Steam tender. I think it came from the that Pennsylvania set. They had the Baby Madison's. I think it was called the Broadway Limited. I think it's a tender from a set like that. But anyway, I only paid $10 for it, and it works great, and it looks nice. So we're going to take it for a spin. I've also got my new cars that I got. My Hershey's car, the Seaboard that has the autos in it, and that was punched out of a Marks mold. I have that Marks mold depressed center flat car, and I put my Lionel bay window Erie caboose on the end of it. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. Here we go. The board sounds pretty good. I didn't hear a whole lot of capacitor noise out of it. This one has a really good smoke unit in it. It's probably one of the best MPC smoke units I've seen. Really happy with my Lionel bay window caboose too. I like how the rear marker lights light up on it. I'll pick up the camera so you can check it out on the way by. Here we go. And that metal frame on the 8904 makes it so much better puller because obviously more weight. And that smoke unit works great. I've got a Mega Steam down the stack. Cinnamon roll is my favorite. Yeah, that board sounds really good. I wish they'd have put the Sound of Steam and whistle in that tender. Maybe if I find an extra whistle board, I'll put that in there. So that was a pretty easy repair. I'm just glad the board is good in it. I always use my Marks whistling freight shed for a whistle. All right. Okay, I guess we put enough smoke in the air, and Sound of Steam sounds really good in it. So I'm glad I grabbed that. It was only $10, and it was worth taking a gamble. Anytime you get a good working board, that's a plus, a blessing. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.